Did you create a task in Grok AI but now want to pause it or remove it completely? In this video, I'll show you how to pause or delete a task in Grok AI step by step. First, open the Grok AI app on your phone. Tap on the two horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Tasks. If you don't see this option, make sure your Grok app is updated to the latest version. Inside the Tasks section, you'll see a list of your created tasks. Tap on the task you want to manage. Once you open it, you'll see different options available for that specific task. If you tap on Pause, the task will stop running temporarily. This means Grok AI will no longer execute the prompt at the scheduled time, but the task itself will still exist in your list. You can resume it later whenever you want without recreating it from scratch. If you choose Archive, the task will be removed from your active tasks list. Archiving is useful if you no longer need the task but still want to keep a record of it. It won't run anymore, and it won't send notifications. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more practical Grok AI tips.